Magandang araw muli sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo ba na every single day, more than 6,000 OFWs return home to the Philippines permanently? Pero here's the million peso question, bakit karamihan sa kanila ay bumabalik ulit abroad after 6 months? The answer will shock you, 75% didn't have a solid game plan for their future dito sa Pilipinas. Pero don't worry, that ends today. I'm Financial Juan, at sa video na to, I'll show you exactly how to transform your OFW experience into successful business empire dito sa Pilipinas. We'll talk about real opportunities, actual numbers, at concrete steps to make it happen. Get ready to take notes kabayan, because this might be the most important video you'll watch this year. Part 1, The Power of the OFW Mindset. Let's start with your biggest advantage, your OFW mindset at experience. Global perspective. Mga kabayan, base sa study ng Asian Development Bank last year, OFWs have unique advantage sa business world. Bakit? Let me break it down. You've experienced world-class customer service. You understand international quality standards. You know what innovation really means. At most importantly, nakita nyo exactly how successful businesses operate abroad. Work ethic at skills. According to the Department of Trade and Industry, returning OFWs are 40% more likely to succeed in business compared to other entrepreneurs. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? Discipline sa time management. Higher standards of professionalism. Strong savings mindset. At problem-solving skills na na-develop abroad. International network. Here's something na hindi lahat nakaka-realize, your network abroad is actually a potential gold mine for your business. Supplier connections. Import-export opportunities. International market insights. At global trends awareness. Part 2, Filipino Entrepreneurship Today. Now, let's talk about the current state ng entrepreneurship sa Philippines for 2025. Traditional to digital transformation. Based sa latest data ng Department of Trade and Industry, 89% of successful new businesses have strong digital components. 67% of traditional businesses are now shifting online. At 92% of Filipino consumers prefer businesses with digital payment options. Technology-driven opportunities. Let me share some exciting numbers from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Digital payments increased by 340%. Online shopping platforms grew by 200%. Mobile banking users doubled in just 2 years. Pro tip, di nyo kailangan maging tech expert. You just need to understand how to use these platforms for your business. Social entrepreneurship. Here's something exciting, businesses with social impact are growing by 40% year-over-year. Examples ng successful social enterprises. Eco-friendly products. Community-based tourism. Skills training centers. At sustainable agriculture. Part 3, Promising sectors for OFW ventures. Food and beverage industry. Let's deep dive sa numbers. Initial investment options. Microscale, home-based, 50,000 to 150,000 pesos. Small scale, 150,000 to 500,000 pesos. Medium scale, 500,000 to 2 million pesos. Space requirements. Home-based, 20 to 30 square meters. Small restaurant, 50 to 100 square meters. Cloud kitchen, 30 to 60 square meters. Training requirements. Food safety certification, 3,000 to 5,000 pesos. Basic business management, 10,000 pesos. Digital marketing, 5,000 to 15,000 pesos. E-commerce and online retail. Based sa Lazada and Shopee seller data. Initial investment. Dropshipping, 20,000 to 50,000 pesos. Inventory-based, 100,000 to 300,000 pesos. Essential tools. Inventory management software. Payment processing systems. Delivery partnerships. Marketing budget. Starting, 5,000 to 10,000 pesos monthly. Scaling, 20,000 to 50,000 pesos monthly. Tech and digital services. Here's what you need to know about the tech industry. Initial requirements. Hardware, 50,000 to 100,000 pesos. Software licenses, 10,000 to 30,000 pesos monthly. Training, 20,000 to 50,000 pesos. Popular services. Digital marketing agency. Virtual assistant services. Web development. Content creation. Part 4, Key resources and support. Government programs. Listen up. These government programs can help you start. DOLE's Balik Pinas, Balik Hanap Buhay program. DTI's MSME development programs. OWA's Enterprise Development and Loan Program. Financial support. Here are your best options for funding. Bank loans. Special OFW loans with 3% to 12% interest. Collateral-free options up to 300,000. Payment terms 1 to 5 years. Government assistance. OWA loans up to 2 million. DTI's P3 program. Land Bank's OFW reintegration program. Business support systems. Don't start alone. Here's your support network. Mentorship programs. DTI Negosyo Centers. Local Chamber of Commerce. Industry associations. Training resources. Free DTI webinars. TESDA online courses. Industry-specific certifications. Part 5, Step-by-Step Action Plan. Business planning. Let's create your roadmap to success. Market research. Target market analysis. Competitor research. At price point determination. Location selection. Foot traffic analysis. Rent versus buy comparison. At zoning requirements. Legal requirements. Here's your complete checklist. Basic requirements. 1. DTI or SEC registration, 2,000 to 15,000 pesos. 2. Mayor's permit, 2,000 to 10,000 pesos. 3. BIR registration, 500 to 2,000 pesos. 4. Barangay clearance, 500 to 1,000 pesos. Special permits. FDA for food businesses. Tourism permits. Environmental clearances. Marketing strategy. Based sa latest Philippine marketing trends. Digital marketing. Social media management. Content creation. Paid advertising. At email marketing. Traditional marketing. Local partnerships. Community events. Print materials. At word-of-mouth strategies. Success stories. Mga kabayan, let me share with you some inspiring stories ng mga dating OFW na successful entrepreneurs na ngayon. These stories aren't just inspiring, they're full of practical lessons that you can apply sa sarili niyong business journey. Story number 1, the food innovation success. Meet Maria Santos, former kitchen staff sa isang 5-star hotel sa Dubai for 8 years. Nung una, natakot ako umuwi kasi malaki ang sahod ko abroad, sabi ni Maria. Pero I realized na yung skills ko sa international cuisine, pwede kong gamitin dito. Key moves ni Maria. Started with a 200,000 capital from her savings. Launched a cloud kitchen concept serving Arabic-Filipino fusion food. Used food delivery apps instead of opening a physical restaurant. At focused on unique dishes like shawarma sisig at Hummus Bicol Express. Results after 2 years. Now earning 180,000 to 250,000 pesos monthly. Expanded to 3 cloud kitchens. Employs 12 people. At planning to franchise her concept. Learning points. Used her international experience as unique selling point. Started small but focused on scalable systems. At maximized digital platforms for growth. Story number 2, the e-commerce pioneer. Si James Reyes naman worked as a logistics coordinator sa Singapore for 5 years. His story shows kung paano mag-leverage ng international connections for business success. Initial strategy. Used 150,000 pesos as capital. Started importing Korean beauty products. Leverage his Singapore connections for suppliers. At built relationship with shipping companies. Smart moves. Created educational content about Korean skincare. Partnered with local micro-influencers. Offered pre-order system to manage capital. At provided excellent customer service based on Singapore standards. Current status. Monthly revenue, 800,000 to 1 million pesos. Has own warehouse in Cavite. 25 employees. At expanded to other Asian beauty products. Key lessons. Build trust through education. Used international standards for operations. Focused on customer service excellence. At manage cash flow through pre-orders. Story number 3, the tech service success. Our third story features Ana Lorenzo, dating virtual assistant sa Canada for 4 years. She transformed her solo work into a thriving VE training and placement business. Starting point. Initial investment, 75,000 pesos. Used her laptop and home office. Started with training 3 students. Smart strategies. Created comprehensive VE training program. Built partnerships with foreign companies. Offered job placement services. Developed online learning platform. Current achievement. Monthly revenue, 350,000 to 500,000 pesos. Has trained over 1,000 VEs. Placement rate, 85%. A team of 15 trainers. Success factors. Used her direct experience in the industry. Created multiple revenue streams. Built strong online presence. Focused on quality training. Story number 4, the social enterprise champion. Last but not least, si Roberto Cruz, former construction worker sa Saudi Arabia for 10 years. He built a successful construction skills training center na may heart for the community. Initial setup. Investment, 400,000 from savings and OWA loan. Started in a small, rented space. Focused on basic construction courses. Innovation. Partnered with TESDA for certification. Created scholarship programs for indigent students. Built connections with construction companies. Offered job placement services. Present status. Monthly revenue, 600,000 to 800,000 pesos. Has trained over 3,000 students. 90% employment rate for graduates. Expanded to 3 locations. Impact points. Created sustainable business model. Helped reduce unemployment. Built strong industry partnerships. Gave back to the community. Nakita niyo mga kabayan? These success stories share common themes. 1. They all leveraged their overseas experience. 2. Started with careful planning. 3. Used technology and innovation. 4. Focused on solving real problems. 5. Maintained high standards of service. But perhaps ang pinaka-importante, they all started with a clear vision at hindi sila natakot mag-start small. Remember, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital para mag-start. Ang kailangan mo ay strategy, dedication, at willingness to learn and adapt. Kabayan, you've just received your complete blueprint for business success sa Pilipinas. Remember, your OFW experience isn't just about the money you've saved, it's about the skills, mindset, at connections that you can use to build something amazing dito sa atin. Kung na-inspire ka sa video na to, make sure to download our free OFW Business Starter Kit sa link sa description below. It includes business plan templates, financial calculators, supplier directory at legal requirement checklist. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow OFWs, and subscribe to Financial Juan para lagi kang updated for our next video at sa latest business opportunities and tips. This is Financial Juan, reminding you na ang success mo abroad ay simula pa lang ng success story mo dito sa Pilipinas. Salamat sa panonood and see you in the next video.